After Wilhelm's 6 years of failing to locate the evil conjurer, the fiend had come to him. If he were able to capture Montcourt, he could tell his future father-in-law, the Duke of Marienburg, to bring his daughter out of hiding. Wilhelm's betrothed would finally be safe. I love reading. So because last night's video was so late and I went to bed straight after, and then when I woke up I got my schedule, I haven't done any crocheting yet. But I plan on doing a lot today. I plan on completely finishing the pencil case and working on some granny squares. I also plan on having a lazy day with Dee Pooley, so that'll be nice. Anyways, I got my schedule, and being a senior, I only have 3 textbooks this year. It's awesome. I'm really excited for that. When I got there, they actually had messed up my schedule because 2 of the classes that I wanted conflicted, which was German 2 and choir. So I went in there and I actually had to drop German 2 and get into madrigals because that's the class that I wanted, and I'm already TAing for the German teacher. And I also didn't have a 6th period, which isn't bad, but with 2 siblings at the high school, it's just easier to have a 6th period. So I have college math, TA or teacher's assistant for the German teacher, madrigals, which is my choir, economics, English 12, and RP childcare and development. I wanted psychology, but they didn't have any open spots to move my other classes to make room for psychology. So that's what I have. It's kind of fun. I don't have much crocheting to show you. I promised someone a panda tutorial. I'm not doing that today. What I'm actually going to do is write out a pattern, and if that doesn't help you, then I will give you a tutorial. And I know what I'm doing for my 50th video, but you guys have to wait and see. So if you have any comments, questions, or requests, please leave a comment in the comment section below. If you like the video, please like it and share it. If you like me, please subscribe. Good afternoon and goodbye.